Want to add Instagram profile link to TikTok? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now head over to your profile. Then tap on the edit option in your profile. Here you want to find the option of links, tap on that. Now you will find the option of add Instagram, select that. Here you will have to enter your Instagram credentials, so go ahead and enter either your phone number, username, or email address. Next you want to enter your password. Then click on the login option. Now a code will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and enter that code. Then you want to tap on the allow option. Once that is done, your Instagram profile will be successfully linked to TikTok, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.